Hey everybody, what's up? Fred McKinnon here with eComCatalyst. Today I want to share with you something that we have been finding to be a godsend in Amazon Seller Central, specifically Amazon Seller Support. Now, if you follow my channel at all, you know that rarely ever will you hear the words godsend and seller support in the same sentence. Um, Typically, I'm very irate and very agitated with Amazon seller support. But recently, on more and more accounts that we manage in our agency, we are finding something that's absolutely amazing, unreal, incredible. And it's like I hesitate to share it because I don't want to spoil a good thing. But let's take a look. Now, let me start by saying you may not have this feature in your account yet. I don't know what qualifies you for this feature. It's a VIP feature, and some of the accounts that we manage have it, some do not. My seller account, my bigger umbrella seller account has it, thankfully. Some of our client accounts have it, thankfully. Some of our client accounts do not have it. But here's how you will know if you have access to this new VIP seller support. All right, keep watching. I'm going to show you what to look for, but this is not your typical foreign seller support overseas that just parrots back template and information. This is real time, seemingly USA based catalog team approval, able to make any change, anything you need. It's like they can handle it. VIP support. Here's what you want to look for when you go into Seller Central and you click on up at the help menu, to get support to open a case. If you see this highlighted in the red, listing issue, question mark, connect to a specialist and solve it faster. Connect now. Okay, this is not the same thing as your typical Amazon seller support chat. Typically, when you're opening a case, you have the opportunity to chat with someone or to open an email or to do a phone call, okay? And any other time, you're always going overseas. And usually, if you just started selling yesterday, you know more than the person on the other end of seller support. They're just terrible. I mean, really, really bad. This is not the same thing. All right. This connects you to, so far, in my experience, it's been in the United States every time, right? And they can do catalog changes, browse tree node changes. They can split parents and child variations. They can, do unreal stuff, including push catalog changes that aren't updating. We used them with a client just this week where no matter what we did, we could not get a size attribute to update, and we could not get a unit count attribute to update. I got on that chat with this group, and amazing. And it's not the first time. We've used them over and over and over again. So, hey, I just wanted to drop this out there. If you haven't seen it yet, it's easy to overlook. When you go to get help, if you have this option and it is related to a listing issue, that's very important. It's related to a listing issue. You don't want to miss. This is like rock star seller support. Words you won't hear me say when I'm talking about Amazon seller support, but I have been absolutely overwhelmed and thrilled with them so far. Now, if it's FBA related, AWD related, your shipments lost, that they're not going to help there, but this is listing issues, catalog team stuff, right? Stuff that you typically would die to get someone to please speak with that can actually make catalog changes. These are your people. If you don't have it in your account, I can't help you. There's nothing I can do. I don't know. When I talked to Amanda, who I worked with this week, she said it was kind of a VIP thing, and some sellers had it, some sellers didn't. They were very strict about what they allowed them to do, or even trying to engage through one account to look at another account. Don't know the answer. All I know is it's an amazing, amazing thing. One last look. That's what you're looking for when you go to create a case. If you have it, you're going to be very, very happy that you found it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have it, leave a comment. Like drop a comment and say, yeah, I have it. Let us know if you used it or not. If you don't have it, drop a comment. Keep looking for it. Maybe it's coming your way. I like to end every video asking you to subscribe to this channel. We're growing. We are excited to see the engagement here on this YouTube channel for eComCatalyst. If you need help with listing issues, if you need help with your catalog, if you need help launching, scaling your brand, contact us, eComCatalyst.com, and you can schedule a free consultation. We have full service Amazon and e-commerce channel management. We also do one-offs here and there where it's just project based. So already just this week, we've done a lot of that, helping people that maybe they're not ready for a full service retainer with an agency, but they just desperately need help. We're here for you to help you with that. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.